Number 54, a house with a bamboo door, bamboo roof and bamboo walls. They've even got a bamboo floor. You must get to know Soho Joe. He runs an espresso called the House of Bamboo. It's made of sticks and bricks, but you can get your kicks in the House of Bamboo. In this casino you can drink a chino when it's gotcha, swing it to the cha-cha, dance the bolero in the sombrero and shake like a snake. You wanna drop in when the cats are hopping, let your 2 feet move to the big beat. Pick yourself a kitten and listen to a platter that rocks the jukebox. I'm a-telling you, when you're blue, well, there's a lot to do in the House of Bamboo. You've got to know